Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to see toy gun in SolidWork animation. So quickly let's start this video, and before this, please subscribe to my channel. And now let's start this video. So I hope you like the animated video, and now as you can see we are in SolidWork, and this is the toy gun that we have created in SolidWork software. Now let's zoom this toy gun so that you can see, and now I'm going to rotate this toy gun. So this is my assembly of toy gun. As you can see in the design tree, we have different parts of this toy gun. If I select this part 1, you can see it will select this whole part. If I select this barrel, you can see my barrel is selected. If I select this mid part, as you can see, you can select this mid part. So this is my assembly of the toy gun, and also we have provided the material to this toy gun, and also we have done the motion study for this toy gun. As you can see, this is my motion study 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's come to the model, and I hope you like this video, and thank you, and also subscribe to my